Today I'm going to show you how to make a kimchi grilled cheese sandwich, and I'm going to veganize it for you. I know kimchi and cheese sounds like a weird combination, but trust me, it's so good together. So you want to start by grating 1 clove of garlic. Then I'm using white sourdough and I'm going to butter both sides of the bread. Then go over both sides again with the grated garlic. Heat a pan on medium-high, and you want to pan fry your bread for around 2 minutes on each side. Then I'm just spreading some gochujang, this is Korean red pepper paste, on one side of the bread. Then remove your bread and we're going to go in with the vegan cheese. Here I'm using vegan mozzarella shreds and cheddar cheese to get a depth of flavor. Then let the cheese melt for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add your bread slices, and you want to check if the bottom of the cheese is crispy by seeing if it separates from the pan. If it does, flip the whole thing over and then add your kimchi. Here I'm just using a homemade kimchi. And then you want to fold the bread back over just like this. And the sandwich is ready to eat. This is honestly the best toasty I have ever made. The outside tastes like crunchy, buttery garlic bread, and then you have the tangy, juicy kimchi with the soft melted cheese on the inside. It tastes so delicious and it only takes 5 minutes to make. If you like this recipe, check out my other videos and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.